Okay, so this is last topic of this chapter. This topic, it's very less chance that this topic they will ask in JEE Mains, but high probability is there. This topic from this topic they ask question in JEE Advance. Now, because it's very difficult to understand where we have to apply this method. Okay, na? It's little bit difficult to understand where we have to apply this method. If you'll understand where we have to apply this method, then we can solve the question very easily. Okay, so I will tell you both the things, how we can do the analysis in this question we have to apply this technique, or in which question we have to apply which technique. Okay, so first of all, this all proofs you are going to learn in your engineering first year, second years, Taylor's theorem and Maclaurin's theorem. Okay, Taylor's and Maclaurin's two friends, they said that a trigonometric function you can represent with polynomial function. Any function you can represent with polynomial function. And in the whole mathematics, whatever invention is done, I consider this invention to be the greatest achievement. Lot of things done. Every work is very good work by those mathematicians. But when I was in engineering and when I read this, I got surprised how he thought like that also. That any function, sine function, you can change into polynomial function. Exponential function you can change into polynomial function. Log function you can change into polynomial function. Means log x you can represent with polynomial. So his thinking was very good. And he proved and he gave some formula. With help of that formula, you can change any function into polynomial function. So that formula works for all. So simply like if I am writing any question, I will first of all I will write one question, then I will tell you how to do the question. Then I will tell you how I will know in which question we have to apply limit using expansion. See this one question here I am going to write. Question is limit x tends to 0 sin x minus x by x cube. First of all, I will tell you how the steps. Then I will tell you how you will know in this question we have to use expansion. We don't have to use some other method. That also I will discuss. So first of all, sin x, you can see sin x is present here. So at place of sin x, I will write all these things. So here I will write at place of sin x, x minus not visible, sir. Which color, sir? Black color, sir. Black already there, sir. Pink. Pink also, baby pink. Okay, I think this will work. Not work, na? This will work. See, sin x I will write x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x raised to 5 by 5 factorial plus so on, so on, so on. Next is minus actually, not plus. Okay. Minus, I will write this x. So at place of sin x, I wrote that. And now I am writing x cube. And limit is x tends to 0. Okay. So at place of sin x, I put that expansion. Now, at this step, this plus x and this minus x will get cancelled. Now, what is left? Minus x cube by 3 plus x raised to 5 by 5 factorial, not 3 factorial, factorial, minus x raised to 7 by 7 factorial and so on, so on, so on. Limit x tends to 0. Now from numerator I will take x cube common. That will become minus 1 by 3 factorial plus x square by 5 factorial minus x raised to 4 by 7 factorial and so on, so on, so on upon x cube. And this both x cube is responsible for 0 by 0. When you put x 0, this is responsible for 0, this is responsible for 0. Both responsible 0 term will get cancelled. Thanos. Now we'll put x 0. So 0 square 0, 0 raised to 4 0, all will become 0. Only minus 1 by 3 will be left. That's all. Not minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3 factorial. 0. So answer will be minus 1 by 3 factorial, and 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. Answer will become minus 1 by 6. Okay. Now, let's do the analysis of this question. Why we applied this expansion method in this question? Why we cannot solve this question with proper sin x formula or something. So first we'll remember the steps. If some limit question is there, how we'll approach? How to approach? First thing is, we'll find how many functions are there. Total 4-5 functions are there. One is x raised to n minus a raised to n formula. Second is trigonometric limit, exponential limit, logarithmic limit. So 4 types of limit we have learned. And same thing you can see here all. See this. Exponential, logarithmic, trigonometry. And x raised to n minus a raised to n is already polynomial. So no need, we cannot change into polynomial. Polynomial is itself a polynomial. Okay. So first of all, you will identify which functions are there. So first you will see, array sir, sin x is only there. We'll think this is trigonometric polynomial. Yes, no? Now, in trigonometric polynomial, we have 3 formulas: sin, tan, 1 minus cos. So then you will find which name is in this. You will see sin name is this. And now when you see sin name in this, so now if you'll remember that formula you have to remember at that time. So sin x by x, you will find only one x is required in denominator for this formula. Yes or no? But here in sin x denominator 3x is there. That's why here we'll say this question we are going to do with expansion. If there is simple x, no expansion. Okay, na? So first thing, this is how I have remembered where I will find this topic, this concept will apply for solving the question. One is this way. Okay. So first of all, what I did, I saw the question. In that question I saw, first I remember which formula we'll use. So for using the formula, one is x raised to n minus a raised to n formula, second is trigonometry, third is exponential, fourth is logarithm. So I came to know here in this question trigonometry is present. Then in trigonometry we have 3 formulas: sin, tan, 1 minus cos. So here it is only sin. So now I will write the formula of sin and I will think, yes, sin only require 1 x in denominator. But here we have more than 1 x, means x cube is there. Okay. Now in this question we'll apply expansion first. Understood? Now in all these expansion, what are the expansion that we have to learn? Okay. If you know sin x expansion, we can simply write cos x expansion. How we can write that? Means sin x expansion we have to learn anyhow. Sin x expansion we have to learn. And if we know sin x expansion, we can directly write cos x in expansion. Do you know why? Because if both are equal, I differentiate both, I will get the equal thing. Sin x differentiation cos x. Now x differentiation 1. minus minus. Now x cube differentiation 3x square. Now 3x square upon 3 factorial is there. How you can write 3 factorial? 3 into 2 into 1. 3 3 cancel. This will become x square by 2 factorial. 2 into 1 2 factorial. So that will become x raised to 5. 5 will come this side. 5 will come with 5 factorial 5. And 4 factorial will be left, and that will be x raised to 4 upon 4 factorial. And again this, it will go on. So it means E formula we can directly remember with formula of D differentiation. Okay. Tan x also you have to learn. Ln 1 plus x. Only this part you can learn. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 expansion we have to learn. More than that, if you want to learn, you can learn tan inverse x, sin inverse x and all. Okay. So write down limit using expansion and write down this all 5 expansion, and after that write down this question and solution. Yes, sir. Zoom. Okay na? Prarthana? Visible? Vishnupriya? Visible na? Friday, limit, test, next week continuity, next week differentiability. You have to revise your class notes and you have to do this limit questions which I have given you. Only if you are doing that. Okay, and if you want me to come online, but YouTube channel is not there na live. So that also we can do for solving those questions at home. You will come? Huh? You will come na? So today will be live. Time. Today na time. I will go home at 6 o'clock. I will reach na. 6 o'clock. I will eat something. Yes. Then I will play with those small cute. Then I do. I will not go to market. Huh? It will. It is getting recorded. Na? You can listen. World should not listen. Na, my routine. I have to call to a class 11th parents also. We are daily calling. What they are doing at home. Want to see? I will show you their calling report. Their parents teacher meeting is there on Sunday and Monday and Tuesday for class 11th. When you will give test na, after that we'll start calling to your parents. This is your marks received. Your parents not don't know your marks na. Very soon, very soon. Next Saturday, parents teacher meeting will also be there. Monday, Tuesday for class 11th, Friday, Saturday for class 12th. These all marks will be given in printed form from PW side to your parents. First test result also, KCT result also, and second test. Write fast. अरे write fast. फोर्थ पे ही हो बच्चा, जल्दी लिखेंगे. अरे ओ हीरो, क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? All are at third, fourth, and you cannot see. You ask me, I will give you print out. जल्दी लिखो बच्चा, और थोड़ा स्पेस दो ना, स्पेस दो थोड़ा सा. गिव सम स्पेस ना. अच्छे से रखेंगे, अच्छे से रखेंगे. जैसा आपका चेहरा है वैसा ये भी रहना चाहिए. स्मार्ट स्मार्ट, सुंदर सुंदर. कॉपी के अंदर रखेंगे ताकि थोड़ा लेट नहीं हो आप. यू आर वेरी लेट. जल्दी लिखो थोड़ा सा आप. क्या है भैया, आप पहले नंबर पे हो, मतलब मैं ये भी सिखाऊं क्या बच्चा लोग आपको? योर फ्रेंड करना completed writing question now. Then that question. माइनस पाई बाई टू. क्या है पाई बाई टू? अच्छा ओके. Okay. Now we are moving to next question. So today when yes, today will come at 8 o'clock maybe online for discussion all these questions. Okay, so today we'll discuss question from this. You will try to solve. You will try to solve all these questions when you will reach home. First of all, you will try to solve all these questions, and when we'll meet online, you have to say which question solution you want me to do. I will do that. I will check how to come live. I don't know. Okay, not Zoom, YouTube only, YouTube channel only. Now, write down that question. Delete na? That question is, sir, how I will find this question I have to do with expansion. Yes, na? First question, can we do this question with normal method? So I am going to try to think from my own side, can we do this question with normal method? If we can do this question with normal method, no problem. And if we cannot do this question with normal method, then we will think why we cannot do this question with normal method. Then I will again bring that sin x minus x upon x cube. I will discuss both the things. Okay. I will try to do this question with normal method again. Again, I will try to do that question with normal method and we'll see what is problem, what problem we are facing with normal method. Okay, so can we start? Let's start. First of all, here in this question I will start with. First of all, in this question I will go through the same method. First, thinking that limit question is from which topic. X raised to n minus a raised to n formula first. Second, trigonometry. Third, exponential. Fourth, log. So in this trigonometry, exponential both is there. Now you have learned two exponential is there. And what is exponential formula? If you remember exponential formula, e raised to x minus 1 upon x, limit x tends to 0 tends to 1. This value is 1. It means this e raised to x want 1. This e raised to minus x also want 1. Both want 1. So in that case, we have learned up add and subtract 1. So I am going to add 1. E raised to x minus e raised to minus x minus 2x plus 1 minus 1 upon, I will write x minus sin x. Limit x tends to 0. Now this minus 1 I will give to e raised to x minus 1 and minus e raised to x minus plus 1. This plus 1 will be left. I will take minus common and that will become e raised to minus x minus 1 minus 2x it will become upon x. Now because this sin x is there, how will remove what is formula for sin x? That is sin x by x. So I will write here sin x by x into x. I will try to solve. E raised to minus x, what it wants? X in denominator. That formula means whatever is in degree, same thing we want in denominator. So here degree is x, it means we want x in denominator. Here degree is minus x, we want minus x in denominator. And here we don't want anything. So we can do one thing to create x here, to create minus x here, simply we can take x common. Then denominator x will generate. Or you can multiply divide x also, both is possible. Like here I multiply divide x. But I have some better idea to x common. I will take x common, this will become e raised to x minus 1 by x karna you are seeing here na. E raised to minus x minus 1 by x minus 2 it will become. Again I will take x common and that will become 1 minus sin x by x and limit x tends to 0. Now here x and x will get cancelled. Now because limit x tends to 0 is there, you can say this sin x by x, this value will become 1 and 1 minus 1 will become 0. It means denominator is 0. And here according to that formula, this will become 1. This minus x can I give here? E raised to minus x both are same. This will also become 1. So 1 plus 1 to 2 minus 2 0 means after applying formula also that question not get solved. after applying formula also 0 by 0 is still this is 0 by 0. Now we cannot do anything apart from applying formula, we cannot do anything. Now let's see here, are we facing same problem here? Like after applying formula also this 0 by 0 is not removed. Let's check, are we facing same thing here? If same thing we are facing, then we'll see one pattern. If this pattern is happening in question, it means we have to apply expansion. Now here only sin x is there, so to balance the 0 of sin x, I will write sin x, I will multiply x here, divide x here, and I will multiply x here minus x I will write upon x cube I will write, and that will become limit x tends to 0. So this will become limit x tends to 0. Now we can take x common. Sin x by x minus 1 will take x common, and here it will be x cube. And the way here x is getting cancelled, something is getting cancelled, same way here x and x cube, one x will get cancelled, and this will become limit x tends to 0 sin x by x minus 1 upon x square. Now we have generated here form of sin x by x for removing the limit for solving the sign. Now let's put x 0, 0 square 0, denominator is 0. Sin x by x when x is 0, 1, 1 minus 1 0. See, same problem is arising here. If we want to try to apply the formula there, okay na? After applying formula also 0 by 0 is not getting solved. Still it is 0 by 0 is getting generated. It means if we are applying any formula in any question and we cannot solve that question, it means what we have to do there? We have to apply expansion. Now, what is main thing in expansion that we have to remember? Main thing in expansion that we have to remember. So I will delete this, I will write this in 1 minute, and I will tell you one important step, which is if you will identify that step in that process, it means question is solved. Okay. So here jao. So I will write that steps once again. That will be, sir, x minus simple. I will write like this, dot 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 minus x upon x cube. X got cancel, minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x raised to 5 by 5 factorial minus x raised to 7 by 7 factorial dot 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 upon x cube. Limit x tends to 0. This x cube we are taking common, minus 1 by 3 factorial plus x square by 5 factorial minus x raised to 4 by 7 factorial plus upon x cube got cancel. Limit is x tends to 0, answer will be minus 1 by 6. Now, let's see the important step of this process. The important step of this process is cancelling of this x cube. Because when this both x cube is getting cancelled, then only 0 by 0 is getting removed. Now the question is how you will know what I have to cancel. What is lowest degree of x in numerator? What is lowest degree of x in denominator? X cube and x cube, always lowest degree will cut, and always lowest degree in numerator and lowest degree in denominator will be same. Lowest degree in numerator, lowest degree of x in numerator, and lowest degree of x in denominator, both will be same. It means if I will solve this question with that method, after putting the expansion and everything, we'll find whatever the lowest degree of x is there in numerator and whatever the lowest degree of x is there in denominator, both will be same, and both I have to take common. It will cancel and question is solved. Okay. So that is already going on recording. So when you are reading all these notes, then you remember all these steps. This is what sir said. Now I am going to write e raised to x expansion. See, e raised to x 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus so on, so on, so on. Now, how you will find e raised to minus x? Both side at place of x put minus x. So at place of x, I put minus x here. Now at place of x, that side I will put minus x. So that will become 1 minus x square plus x square by 2 factorial minus x cube by 3 factorial and so on, so on, so on. I am going to add both because subtract both. E raised to x minus e raised to minus x is there. E raised to x minus e raised to minus x is there. 1 will get cancelled. X minus minus x 2x will get, this will get cancelled. Plus 2 x cube by 3 factorial and so on, so on, so on. I will take 2 common and that will become x plus, or we can write like this. No need to worry about that. Okay. So I think we got this. Now we want minus 2x. Can you see here minus 2x? When we can bring minus 2x this side. So this will become e raised to x minus e raised to minus x minus 2x is equals to 2x cube by 3 factorial and so on, so on, so on. No need to write all. And if you want to go for all, you can write 2x raised to 4 by 4 factorial and so on, so on, so on, so on. It means we got the numerator with help of expansion. Now I am going to see denominator. Denominator first I will write sin x. Sin x is x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x raised to 5 by 5 factorial minus, that is minus sign, not plus sign. Okay. So this will go. And what we want, x minus sin x. So this sin x I will send that side. X minus sin x will generate. And apart from x, all term I will take this side. So minus x cube by 3 factorial, I will take this side. X cube by 3 factorial minus x raised to 5 by 5 factorial and so on is equals to x minus sin x. We got. It means x minus sin x is this. Now I am going to write both the things. Here I will write this part. What is this? 2 x cube by 3 factorial plus 2 x raised to 4 by 4 factorial so on upon x cube by 3 factorial minus x raised to 5 by 5 factorial so on, and that is limit x tends to 0. Understood? Now tell me, what is lowest degree of x in numerator? X cube. What is lowest degree of x in denominator? So answer you can directly write this coefficient upon that coefficient, because the rest all will become 0. You will take x cube common, x square will be left, x is 0, so all will become 0, only this 2 number will be left. Answer will be 2 by 6 by 1 by 6, 6 cancel, answer will be 2. Write down. Where is Trisha? Huh? Voice is absent.